Hey guys, what's up? It's Pluto here, and I want to do a quick unboxing and overview of the Final Audio UX3000s. So these are wireless Bluetooth over-the-ear headphones, over the ear, around the ear, and these have active noise canceling. And the reason why I decided to get this is that I've used Final's in-ear headphones for a while now, and I'm a big fan. And two is that they did a Evangelion collaboration. Now that was for like their AirPod knockoffs, but in seeing that they made like Bluetooth headphones, now I learned about this product, so I decided to get it and try it. Nothing inside the box. We get a quick instruction manual, it seems like, with a bunch of QR codes with links to different languages. We get two cables, one of which I'm assuming to be a USB-C charging cable, because this headphone actually charges using USB-C. Yeah, it's the world's smallest USB-C charging cable. But so far the unboxing experience has been great. I mean, the packaging is like nothing wow. It's like the soft like premium touches. Like this is the like medical type paper tape. And this plastic feels very nice and soft, very aesthetic. And so this cable should be the included 3.5 audio cable for when you want to use these headphones wired. Now hopefully after the overview, we will just see if we can charge these headphones and use them at the same time while wired. But we got your standard 3.5 cable here. Both of these are pretty decent quality, but also nothing too amazing. Just a standard, like plastic material. Kind of wish it would be like braided or something. But the main cost of these headphones go into the headphones itself. So I believe this is the carrying case. And man, this plastic is going to be the death of me. Seem to be struggling like one-handed with all these. So here's the included carrying case. Nothing that great. Actually feels kind of cheap. It's like a cheap like felt material. I guess I got the job done. We got an actual user manual, so I'm guessing that's the quick setup. And then finally the headphones themselves. Okay. Okay, cool. They're finally out of the packaging. So we got the Final logo, we got the texture of it, the microphone for the noise canceling. We got the active noise canceling button and the USB-C for charging. We got the power button, the volume rocker, and the 3.5 jack. I'm surprised to not see Bluetooth, but I guess that's what the quick start guide is. Actually, I think these are the active noise canceling microphones, and these might just be like vent or something. The ear cups do twist for storage, but they do not fold where they twist. So the twist hinge is here, and it seems to be all plastic, which is a concern. Focus. But the hinge itself for folding is all metal, which is appreciated. It's a pleather material. Not my favorite. They get kind of sweaty, this type. They kind of wear down after a while. And of course you have pleather ear cups, which do seem like they get a bit sweaty as well. And a bit small, to be honest. It is a Japanese pair of headphones, though. So I will cut to the future once I give these headphones a nice try, and I'll let you know my initial thoughts on them. But here's what they look like out of the box, and that's what the packaging looks like and what's included.